Are you ready for this? This is Sizzling Riff number 2. Oh yeah. Right. We're gonna do that. We're going to teach you how to play that. How difficult can it be? Actually, it's not as difficult as it might seem. It's the same pattern all the way down, so we'll take you through it one step at a time. That's how we start. So it's the C chord. Can you see I'm just doing a slide on this note here, the blue note. And finishing the chord off with that thumb. We go up there again. That's a roll there, so you've had a slide and a roll already. And you see that rolls over. And you keep the thumb as an anchor. We've done this before, so we need to keep that as an anchor. And I just move it all the way down the pattern. So it's a bit of a jump there. You get used to jumping onto that because that's a nice slide, so you will get the hang of that.
So tell me what you think of. Did I make you smile? Did you stay a while? Did you hit subscribe? Come on, don't be shy, 'cause if you ring my bell, you can always tell the second I release a new tutorial. But if you snooze, you lose a chance to play some boogie woogie blues.
When you've done that top one, you're a third of the way through. So we might actually play it slightly different. Sometimes, you know, Boogie Woogie players just naturally, when they get into subconscious, they just sometimes play something slightly different, but it'll be along those lines. It's the timing. Dum 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 dum. That's the whole phrase there. So we want to keep that phrase, and we want to then move into the next phrase. So it's da, da, it's got a. This is a straight into. But this is. There's more of a, just a little. Finished to a phrase. Then for the F, all we do, it sounds really, really good, but it's actually just the Jerry Lee Lewis chord. I can play it like that, and it's on the F. The hardest thing about that will be the timing, because your left hand is going. If you're just doing that one. Can you see it's quite hard? It's not easy, is it? It's not going to be easy, that. I mean, I'm playing a different left hand in the introduction that we did, but I'll do that. I'll show that at the end of the video. And then I go back into the. It's just, the G is just a, you can do whatever you like there. Just something simple. And that sets up the ending, which is, we just stop the left hand. So. Something like that. So, you can work out something better for the ending, but that's how I play it. Okay, right, I said I would show you the left hand. Are you ready for that now? Or do you want to just go for a simple left hand first of all? Let's try and get a simple left hand going first. I haven't played this. And again. Play it with me. We'll do it really slow. Try and see how, we'll go really, really slow. See if you've got the hang of this yet. Yeah. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and some people find the counting helps. I don't think I do, but 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and at least it tells you that we're coming in on the and for each phrase. And. If you're having trouble jumping down, just maybe do that. Practice that a bit. Just practice the jumps. Just try that. That might help. Okay, right, what did we get to? We're now going to do, for the, oh no, I've already done that. So we don't need to do that. And the G would just be. Great thing about Boogie Woogie is you can play these C riffs over other. You can play it over the F as well if you wanted, but that just gets too much. You know, we don't really want to go all that way. So, right. Okie dokie. Let's show you the left hand that I was doing. I'll do a separate video on this, but this is actually the. So we've got that, it's... Now you're probably not going to learn that here and now. I'm going to have to do a separate video on how to learn that and how to play over it. But for those who already know a riff that's something along those lines, let's see how the timing works out. Okay, so was that slow enough for you? I think that's everything. That's about 10 minutes. We don't want to do any more, do we? So I'm Andrew Brock, the Boogie Woogie boss. If you would like to see more of these sizzling hot riffs, I'll drop me a line, subscribe, put some comments in, and I'll think of another one to do. I'm sure there's many more I can muster up and show you how to do it, guys. So let me know how you're getting on. It's a new channel, so I need loads and loads of feedback. just feed it back, I don't mind. And I'll try and improve and bring boogie woogie to more of you. Cheers. Okay, signing off.